To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Welcome back, Detective. Are you ready to solve another mystery? You are? Now this one's a little bit weird. We have to go to a farm. Do you think we can meet Mr. Sound Monster at the farm? Okay, let's go on our adventure. Get your backpack. Start walking. Do 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 do. Let's run fast. Ready? Run fast. Do 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 do. We're here. Sound Monster, Sound Monster, where are you? There you are. Oh, it looks like you have some mud on you. Yeah, I was trying to play with Penny the pig, but she kept pulling pranks on me. What? Penny the pig says that she has a letter, and to get the letter, you have to read the story and listen for the P sound. Okay, let's listen for the P sound. Thanks, Sound Monster. You're welcome. Goodbye. Let's listen to our next story. Every time that you hear the P sound, I want you to touch your nose. Ready? Penny the pig played pranks on her pals. She pretended to be a pirate and pelted them with popcorn. What a mean pig. Did you touch your nose a lot? I bet you did. There was a lot of p sounds in there. I wonder. Penny the pig, what are you doing here? She brought us back our letters. How nice. This is the letter P. What's its name? P. What's its name? P. The sound it makes is P. What's its sound? P. What's its sound? Way to go. Let's say it and see what our lips, our teeth, our tongue, and our voice box is doing. P. Ooh, my lips come together and then push out. P. My teeth are biting my upper and bottom lip. Ooh, I'm pushing out a lot of air. Let's fill our voice box. It's not vibrating. My tongue kind of pushes out too. It starts in the back of my mouth and my tongue does. And my tongue kind of goes forward. What does your tongue do? I don't know. Can it go on forever? This one can't go on forever. It just stops. All right, you ready to learn my actions? P, pig, P. Can you do it with me? P, pig, P. Let's do it by ourselves. Let's do it together. P, pig, P. Way to go. I need you to practice your letters from before because remember I told you that if I don't practice it, it won't get stuck in my brain and then people will steal my letters again. Can you sing the song with me? Okay, let's get started.
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, a. T, table, t. S, snake, s. P, pig,
These letters are a little different. This is an uppercase letter and he's a tall bear. But this lowercase letter is a hungry bear. So when we go to write it, I want you to remember that. This is an uppercase P. Can you say that? Uppercase P. Can you say lowercase p? Lowercase p. Let's say it like a fire-breathing dragon. Ready? Uppercase P. Lowercase p. Can you do it by yourself? Wow, your brain's working so hard. Can you help me sort my uppercase and lowercase p's?
uppercase P, uppercase P, uppercase P, uppercase P, uppercase P, lowercase p, lowercase p, lowercase p, lowercase p, lowercase p. All right, my literacy detectives, we are going to write the letter P, uppercase P and lowercase p. But before we do, let's sing my song. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. All right, get your magical wands ready. Uppercase P looks like this. We are going to start at the top, at the skyline. We're going to go down from the skyline, touch the grass line, pick up my pencil, go back to the top, and go around and down to the mountain line. Let's try it one more time. Uppercase P. We are going to start at the top, at the skyline. We're going to go down from the skyline, touch the grass line, pick up my pencil, go back to the top, and go around and down to the mountain line. Way to go. Let's practice lowercase p. Now, lowercase p, he is a hungry bear. That means he's gonna go down all the way to the worm. So he's gonna start at the mountain line. That's your dotted line. Start at the mountain line, go down to the worm, eat it, nom, 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 nom. Back up to the mountain line and around to the grass line. Let's do it one more time. Start at the mountain line, down to the worm, yummy worms, up to the mountain line and around to the grass line. I'm going to tell you a word and I want you to tap the sounds on your Sound Monster board. Can you say pop? Tap the sounds. Did you say p? Can you say pat? Tap the sounds. Did you say at? Now I'm going to tell you some sounds and I want you to tell me the word. O, a, p. Did you say lap? P, a, n. Did you say pan? You have learned all about the letter P. Can you do this on your own? Look at that. We got to the letter P, and the letter P has something special next to it. It looks like a mastery glass. That means that you need to check your mastery with your parents to see if you know the letters M, A, T, S, and P. But if you are done with the letter P, go ahead and color in the letter P and talk to an adult about what you need to do next. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.